Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be BB cream versus foundation. So let's begin. So first I'm starting with this BB cream from Swiss Beauty. It comes for a price of 169 and you have 6 shades. So this is how the packaging looks. I like the combination of silver with pink. So let's get into seeing the pigmentation and the formula of this one. So the formula of this BB cream is very thick and I personally am not a fan of that. So BB creams are supposed to give you a very light coverage and cover up any blemishes, but as you guys can see, it's very thick. I use a moisturizer or a sunscreen to go with it so that I can blend it, but here I am just using it alone and it's very difficult to blend with fingers and also with a beauty blender, which I'll be showing you guys later. Moving on, we have my personal favorite, that is Dior. I'm in shade 4WO, but you can find plethora of shades when it comes to Dior foundations, and I have taken a small amount of it because a small amount of it goes a long way. And you guys can see how creamy it is, but how easily it blends onto your skin. Now you can use your fingers, which I like to use when it comes to this foundation, or you can also use a blender or a brush. It blends very smoothly onto your skin, leaving no white cast at all. This is a dewy foundation, so it gives this natural shine and dewy look to your skin, which I absolutely love. So now let me show you guys how it functions on my skin. So starting on with Dior, I am going to take a small amount of it and then I am going to apply it on this side of my cheek. I am using a beauty blender and this is a wet beauty blender, and I already have my moisturizer on, and you guys can see how easily it blends on the skin. I do not have to rub or drag the blender aggressively, but it just easily gets absorbed on the skin. Also, I have oily acne prone skin and a lot of pores on my nose and upper cheek area, but this covers it up beautifully. So moving on, we are going to use the BB cream on the other side of my cheek. Now I am not at all a big fan of this one and you guys will see why. So as I told you guys, I have a lot of pores on my upper cheek area and I've already applied my moisturizer, but still it does not blend very easily. You can see how patchy it looks, and then I'm using my beauty blender and it might look fine on camera, but up close you guys can see my pores, and sometimes after a long period of time it does get clogged in your pores, so it's not good for those who have a lot of pores like me. So the Dior foundation worked like a foundation and a primer, and it also gave a very light coverage. On the other hand, you guys can see the BB cream, it does not give a very good coverage. Also, it feels very heavy on your skin, it looks very heavy on your skin, and it is going to make your pores a three-dimensional. Anyone from the moon can see your pores. On the other hand, Dior is actually very flawless and it feels like your skin but filtered one, and you guys can clearly see the difference, and you guys can tell the cheek where I applied Dior and the cheek where I have applied this BB cream. Also, I'm not talking about skin texture because we all have it, but why would I use products that make it more visible and heighten its effect when I have other products which can give me that flawless look? So particularly this BB cream is patchy on the skin and patchy on your face. On the other hand, you can use Dior on your body as well. Yes, it is a face and a body foundation, so you get 2-in-1 products. Of course, the price is a bit high. It comes for a 3,500 rupees, but it is definitely worth it if you want a good foundation which lasts you long. And also it has a long wear time and you need a small amount of it. So that was my review on these products. Tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. I would love to see you guys next time. Till then, you can follow me on my Instagram. You do not have to, but you can, and it would make me really happy. And yeah, that's it. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.